Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through of our 2016 Toyota Yaris XL we have new in stock. This Toyota Yaris is finished in pure white. You've got a whole host of features as standard with the XL edition. For example, you've got privacy glass, you've got the alloy wheels, you've got bi-xenon headlights with daytime running lights, and you've got the LED rear lights. You've got a Chic fabric seat trim interior with the suede bolsters. You've got a leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel. Got your leather-wrapped gear knob, your climate control functions, some of your eco driving modes. You've got the optional Toyota Touch 2 with navigation display. And visible on the display, you've got the reversing camera function and DAB radio as standard. If you'd like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this Toyota Yaris XL, please contact one of our sales team through the number shown at the end or inquire through our website.